Brain or luck? 100 space true or false question. Beat 72 and you're a space true or false champion. No skips, no second tries. Subscribe, lock in, let's go. 100 questions. Pass 72 and you're a champion. Drop your score below. True or false? Read it once. Lock it in. True. Bennu is an asteroid. T or F? Trust your gut here. Yes, true. Halley's Comet has an orbital period of about 76 years. Statement coming. Vote now. Wrong claim, false. The International Space Station orbits Earth. Quick check. Is the claim solid? Right. True. True. An exoplanet is a planet orbiting a star outside the solar system. T or F? Take a breath, then call it. Locked in. True. True.
Kepler 452b is an exoplanet.
True or false? No second guessing. No, false. TRAPPIST-1 is famous for having multiple Earth-size exoplanets. Read it. Decide. Move on. Correct. True. 7 down. Drop a like if your space brain is firing today.
7 in already.
If you're vibing with this, smash subscribe for more space rounds every week. Back to it. Round 2. Things get sharper now. Stay focused. Statement on screen. Pick your side. Solid call. True. Solid call. True. An asteroid is a small rocky body orbiting the sun. T or F? One read, one answer. Not true. A comet is an icy body that can form a tail near the sun. Quick true or false? Go with instinct. Correct. True. Io is a moon of Jupiter known for strong volcanic activity. Sharp eyes here. True or no? True. A solar eclipse happens when the moon blocks the sun as seen from T or F. Don't overthink it. Nope, false. The Mars surface has rocks, red dust craters, and ancient terrain. Claim incoming. True or bust? Spot on. True. True. Ingenuity was an experimental helicopter that flew on Mars. True or false? You've got this.
Right.
True. True. Juno is a NASA spacecraft studying Jupiter from polar orbit. T or F? Time to commit. Correct. False. 15 in. Subscribe to Brain or Luck for more space challenges every week. Read carefully. Then decide. Got it. True. True. Parker Solar Probe flies very close to the sun to study the corona and solar wind. Quick one. Real fact or fake? Sharp. True. True. Spitzer was NASA's infraspace telescope. Statement up. Truth or trap? False call. False call. The Eagle Nebula is famous for the Pillars of Creation region. T or F? Lock in fast. Affirmative. True. True. The pillars of creation are a phase gas and dust region in the Eagle Nebula. True or false? 5 seconds to call it. Correct. True. The Sombrero Galaxy is famous for a dark dust lane, giving it a hat-like look. The pillars of creation in the Eagle Nebula are columns of cold gas and dust, photographed by Hubble in 1995 and revisited by Webb in 2022.
Eyes on the claim.
Yes or no? False. The Cartwheel Galaxy has a striking ring structure shaped by a galactic collision. T or F? Streak builder right here. Yes, true. The habitable zone is the range around a star where liquid water could exist on a suitable planet surface. Quick T or F? Don't blink. Spot on. True. True. The Sun is the star at the center of the solar system. Statement check. Is it solid? Trap dodged. False. False. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun. Read. Think. Call it. Correct. True. 25 down, 1/4 clear. Comment your streaks so far. T or F? This one's spicy. Got it. True. True. Earth is the only planet currently known to have life. True or false? Watch for the twist. Caught the trap. False. False. The moon is Earth's natural satellite. Claim on deck. Vote your gut. Solid call. True. Solid call. True. Mars is often called the red planet. T or F? Brain or luck? Affirmative. True. True. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. Quick fact check. True or no? Correct. False. Saturn is famous for its large and recognizable ring system. Statement time. Pick a side. True. Uranus is famous for its extreme axial tilt. T or F? Easy if you know it. Yes, true. Neptune is the farthest planet from the Sun among the 8 planets. Read it twice if you need. Wrong claim. False. Pluto is currently classified as a dwarf planet. True or false? Make the call. Right. True. True. Ceres is a dwarf planet in the asteroid belt. T or F? Streak on the line. Correct. True. 35 in.
Smash subscribe to lock your seat for round 2.
35 in. You're in the top tier of viewers. Subscribe and stick around for harder rounds. Round 3. The traps get sneakier. Read every word. Quick one, no skip! T or F? No, false. Ganymede is the largest moon in the solar system. Eyes sharp. Is the claim real? Sharp. True. True. Titan is Saturn's largest moon. T or F? Show off what you know. Solid call. True. Solid call. True. Enceladus is a moon of Saturn. True or false? Don't get fooled. Not true. The solar system is in the Milky Way. Claim up. Truth detector on. Correct. True.
The Andromeda Galaxy is a galaxy.
T or F? Lock the answer. True. The Orion Nebula is a famous nebula associated with star formation. Quick verdict. Real or made up? Nope, false.
The Crab Nebula is a supernova remnant.
Statement loaded. Vote now. Spot on. True. True. The Carina Nebula is a prominent nebula in telescope imagery. T or F? Trust the space brain. Right. True. True. A black hole has gravity so strong that light cannot escape. True or false? Final answer? False. Actually, Apollo 11 was the first mission to land humans on the moon in 1969. T or F? Space brain on. Got it. True. True.
Voyager 1 was launched in 1977.
Quick claim. Truth or hoax? Correct. True. 47 in, almost halfway. Drop a like, top scorers get pinned. True or false? Space facts, sharp. False call. False call. The Hubble Space Telescope was launched in 1990. T or F? Call it in 3. Affirmative. True. True. The James Webb Space Telescope is known for infrared observations. Statement check. Pick a side fast. Correct. True. Perseverance is a rover operating on Mars. T or F? No hints, just guts. False.
Perseverance landed in Jezero crater on Mars.
Quick truth call. Yes or no? Yes, true. Curiosity is a rover operating. True or false? Eyes peeled. Spot on. True. True.
Curiosity landed in Gale crater on Mars.
T or F? Lock the vote. Trap dodged. False. False. The Cassini spacecraft is famous for studying Saturn. Statement landing. Vote. Locked in. True. True. New Horizons flew by Pluto in 2015. The first image of a black hole shadow was released in 2019 by the Event Horizon Telescope, showing M87's supermassive black hole. Quick claim test. Real or trap? Got it. True. True. Cyrex collected a sample from asteroid Bennu. T or F? Don't second guess. Caught the trap. False. False. Bennu is an asteroid. True or false? Bet your streak. Solid call. True. Solid call. True.
Halley's Comet has an orbital period of about 76 years.
T or F? Cosmets claim coming. Affirmative. True. True. The International Space Station orbits Earth. Quick read. Then call it. Correct. False. 60 down. You're in elite territory. Subscribe for more. Statement up. Trust the space brain. True.
Kepler 452b is an exoplanet.
T or F? Easy for the sharp. Yes, true. TRAPPIST-1 is famous for having multiple Earth-size exoplanets. True or false? Sniff the trap. Wrong claim. False. Artemis is NASA's program aimed at returning humans to the moon. T or F? 5 seconds, no more. Right. True. True. An asteroid is a small rocky body orbiting the sun. Quick T or F? Stay locked. Locked in. True. True.
A comet is an icy body that can form a tail near the sun.
Statement loaded. Pick a side. No, false. Io is a moon of Jupiter known for strong volcanic activity. T or F? Sharpen up. Sharp. True. True. A solar eclipse happens when the moon blocks the sun as seen from Earth. True or false? Trust or trap? Solid call. True. Solid call. True. The Mars surface has rocks, red dust, craters, and ancient terrain. T or F? Read like it counts. Not true. Ingenuity was an experimental helicopter that flew on Mars. Quick verdict. Real or fiction? Correct. True. Juno is a NASA spacecraft studying Jupiter from polar orbit. 70 down. Top score territory. Comment your streak and subscribe for the next drop. Round 4. This is where champions are made. Lock in. Statement on deck. Vote. True. DART tested asteroid deflection by intentional impact. T or F? Sharp call needed. Correct. False. 72 in. Comment your score so far. The leaderboard is watching. True or false? Bet it. Spot on. True. True. Spitzer was NASA's infrared space telescope. T or F? Lock and roll. Right. True. True. The Eagle Nebula is famous for the Pillars of Creation region. Quick read, then commit. False. Actually, the Pillars of Creation are a famous gas and dust region in the Eagle Nebula. Statement check. True or fake? Got it. True. True. The Sombrero Galaxy is famous for a dark dust lane giving it a hat-like look. T or F? Speed round. Sharp. True. True. The Cartwheel Galaxy has a striking ring structure shaped by a galactic collision. True or false? Eyes on the words. False call. False call. The habitable zone is the range around a star where liquid water could exist on a suitable planet surface. T or F. Don't slip. Affirmative. True. True.
The sun is the star at the center of the solar system.
Statement loaded. Trust it or not. Correct. True. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. Quick T or F. Streak watch. False. Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system. True or false? The space brain knows. Yes, true. Earth is the only planet currently known to have life. T or F. Sharp eyes is only. Spot on? True. True. The moon is Earth's natural satellite. Statement claim. Vote now. Trap dodged. False. False. Mars is often called the red planet. T or F. 5-second verdict. Correct. True. 85 in. Final stretch. Subscribe before the next drop. Voyager 1 and 2 each carry a golden record with sounds and images from Earth, meant for any civilization that finds them. Quick fact call. Real? Got it. True. True. Saturn is famous for its large and recognizable ring system. True or false? Read every word. Caught the trap. False. False. Uranus is famous for its extreme axial tilt. T or F? Pick truth or trap. Solid call. True. Solid call. True. Neptune is the farthest planet from the sun among the 8 planets. Statement on. Lock in. Affirmative. True. True. Pluto is currently classified as a dwarf planet. Quick T or F? No panic. Correct. False. Ceres is a dwarf planet in the asteroid belt. True or false? Cold read it. True. Europa is a moon of Jupiter. T or F? Streak protector mode. Yes, true. Ganymede is the largest moon in the solar system. Statement landing. Sharp call. Wrong claim. False. Titan is Saturn's largest moon. Quick truth or trap? Decide.
Right.
True. True.
Enceladus is a moon of Saturn.
True or false? Brain locked? Correct. True. 95 down, 5 to go. Don't break that streak now. T or F? Bet your read. No, false. The Andromeda Galaxy is a galaxy. Statement up. Yes or no? Sharp. True. True.
The Orion Nebula is a famous nebula associated with star formation.
T or F?
Final read.
Solid call. True. Solid call. True. The Crab Nebula is a supernova remnant. True or false? Drop the verdict. Not true.
The Carina Nebula is a prominent nebula in telescope imagery.
T or F. Cosmic call. Correct. True. A black hole has gravity so strong that light cannot escape. 100 down. Beat 72 and you're a space true or false champion. Drop your score in the comments. Top brains get pinned next week. Subscribe for the next round. Subscribe to Brain or Luck and chase your next personal best.